Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tutor Stats. In this video, I will discuss about hypergeometric distribution. So the hypergeometric distribution is a discrete probability distribution with finite population, and the sampling is done without replacement, so that the events are stochastically dependent. Okay, and the definition of the hypergeometric distribution is a random variable x is said to be hypergeometric distribution with parameters small n, capital N, and M if positive integers, and the probability mass function of the hypergeometric distribution is defined as probability of x is equal to small k is capital M k, capital MCK, and capital N minus capital M and small n minus k divided by capital NC small n, where k is equal to 0, 1 to up to minimum of small n and capital N. And here n, small n, capital N, and M are positive integers. Consider an urn with capital N balls, M of which are white ball and capital N minus capital M are red balls. Suppose that we draw a sample of small n balls. So here small n is the sample size. Okay, so here we draw a sample of small n balls at random without replacement from the urn. Then the probability of getting k white balls, k white ball is capital M C K N minus M small n minus k divided by capital NCN. Here capital M is the number of white balls, and we are selecting k balls out of capital M, and capital N is the population size, and M is the white ball. So capital N minus capital M is the number of red balls, and small n is the sample size minus k. K is the number of white balls. So here we will get red balls. So this is the population of the red balls, or this is the sample, because here the white balls, here the is small n minus k is the number of the red balls from the sample, and this is the total number of the total number of the balls. Okay, this is our population size and this is the sample size. So we are selecting a sample out of the population, and the population size is capital N. So when we do like this, so this is the probability mass function of the hypergeometric distribution, and here k is 0, 1, 2 up to minimum of small n into capital M, right? So by using this probability mass function we will solve an example. Okay, the question is, a jury pools consist of 20 jurors, 8 are black and 12 are white. If a jury of 6 persons is selected from the pool, what is the probability that exactly one of the jurors is black? Okay, so here our population size is 20. This is the population size. And sample size is 6 persons. Capital M is 8. Number of black jurors in the population. Okay. And the required probability is probability of x is equal to 1. This is our required probability. So here k is 1. So now here we will use the probability mass function of the hypergeometric distribution to calculate the required probability. So the probability mass function of the hypergeometric distribution is defined as capital M Ck upon में capital N Cn. Okay, now in this probability mass function we put all the values. Capital M is 8 C1, and capital N, your total population is 20. M is black jurors, and sample size is 6 minus 1 upon में 20 C6. So this will give the result 8 into 12 C5 अपॉन में 20C6 8 into 12C5 value is calculated by calculator and the value is 792 upon में 12C6 is 38760. So the final result is, or the final probability by calculating this expression, I am getting 0.1635. This is the probability that exactly one of these zeros is black. So this is the required probability and required result.